Welcome to the Premier Inn Bournemouth Central. Here we have the main reception area. As you can see, the hotel retains some of the original Art Deco style. The hotel was originally known as the Palace Court Hotel, and then taken over by Metro, Stackis, and even the Hilton brand. Golden Tulip Hotels then refurbished the hotel, but then went bankrupt before it could open. Here we have the Manhattan Bar and Lounge, a great place to grab a drink in the evening. Here we have some very smart looking corridors leading down to our room. Notice the more stylish looking carpet used in Premier Inn Plus rooms here. Premier Inn Plus rooms typically cost an extra £10 per night on average, just depending on which hotel you stay at. Here we have a large TV, a convenient bench to sit on, and a workstation. We have purple lights above the bed, which I think is a nice touch. It's one of Premier Inn's signature items that they like to put into their newer, more refurbished rooms. One of the features of a Premier Inn Plus room is an espresso pod coffee machine. These machines produce really good coffee. A mini fridge is another Premier Plus room feature. Bottled water is also meant to be included, however, as can be seen here, there was none in the fridge in my room. Ultimate Wi-Fi is also included with a Premier Inn Plus room. This normally costs £5 per 24 hours. Another Premier Inn Plus room feature is the hand-finished artwork on the walls, which I think is a nice touch. Notice here the more stylish looking wall light compared to your standard Premier Inn bathroom. A rainfall shower is another feature of a Premier Inn Plus room. Here's a nice night view of the room for you, showing off the Premier Inn purple light above the bed. Some of the rooms at this hotel have balconies. The only thing missing, in my opinion, is a chair to sit on to take in the great views. As you can see here, the views from the balcony are very impressive. And if you look towards the distance, you'll be able to see Bournemouth Pier and also the observation wheel. The hotel is very central and is only a short walk from Bournemouth town centre and also the beach. Overall, I highly recommend Premier Inn Plus rooms. I think £10 is a very fair asking price for the upgrade. The total price I paid was £61 for one night. What do you think of the hotel? Have you ever stayed here before? Have you ever tried a Premier Inn Plus room? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.